Welcome to Management Funda. Subject Strategic Management. Subtopic Strategic Intent. Strategic intent gives an idea of what the organization desires to attain in future. It answers the question what the organization strives or stands for. It indicates the long-term market position which the organization desires to create or copy and the opportunity for exploring new possibilities. So in strategic intent, we actually describe vision statement, mission statement, business definition, business model and goals and objective. As you can see the hierarchy of strategic intent in this picture. So strategy intent gives you the clear description of the organization vision, mission, business definition, business model, goals and objective. Vision implies the blueprint of a company future position. It describes where the organization wants to land. It is the dream of a business and aspiration base for the planning process. It depicts the company aspiration for a business and provide a peep of what organization could like to become in future. Every single component of the organization is required to follow its vision. Mission. Mission describes the firm business, its goals and way to reach the goals. It explains the reason for the existence of the business. It is designed to help potential shareholders and investors understand the purpose of a company. A mission statement helps to identify what business the company undertakes. It defines the present capabilities, activities, customer focus and business makeup. Business definition. It seeks to explain the business undertaken by the firm with respect to customer need, target audience and alternative technology. With the help of business definition, one can ascertain the strategy business choice. The corporate restructuring also depend upon the business definition. Business model. Business model, as the name implies, is a strategy for the effective operation of the business. Ascertaining the source of income, desired customer base and financial detail, rival firm operating in the same industry relies on the different business model due to their strategic choice. So business model is like you have to analyze your environment. It can be internal environment of your organization or external organization and you will make your business model ready. Last, goal and objectives. These are the base of measurement. Goals are an end result that the organization attempt to achieve. On the other hand, objectives are time-based, measurable action which help in the accomplishment of goals. These are the end result which are to be attained with the help of the overall plan over the particular period. So we can conclude that the vision, mission, business definition and business model explain the philosophy of business, but the goals and objectives are established with the purpose of achieving them. Strategic intent is extremely important for the future growth and success of the enterprise in respective of its size and nation. So, it is very important that for any organization to create their strategic intent, and in this strategic intent they should clearly describe the organization vision, mission, business definition, business model, and they should set a goals and objective to accomplish their final vision. So with the help of this 5 important statements, every organization should make a strategic intent in respective for the future growth and success of the enterprise in respective of its size and nature. So that's all in today's session with a lot of positive vibe. Signing off. For more management concepts, please subscribe to Management Funda's channel. Thank you.